All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So defense and defense. So defense, an action to resist from attackers. Like a shield, perhaps. A shield? Ah, perfect. Yes, a shield. Yes, a defense. But defense is the American spelling of defense. This is the Defense Ministry. Yes. We are part of the town's defense. Defense. Yes. We are in charge of the city's defense. The defense. How long can their defenses last? We will defend the city for as long as we can. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. I think this defense is weak. We need to figure out ways of getting a stronger defense. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So defense, CE, to resist from attackers, and SE, the American spelling of defense. Yeah. Worth understanding that very subtle difference. But can you use defense in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian. Yep. On YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. As well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.